Hey Eastside, I know I sent out our first Zoom tutorial, episode 1, about how to get started. I spoke with Meg. I know some of us have Chromebooks at home that do not have the connected app, and she made a quick video just of the one little trick to make sure that you open it up under the browser. And for any students that you're trying to Zoom with or do a Zoom class with, which I'll be showing some of the pieces in our Zoom episode 3. This is what to show them or how to tell them to open up it as a browser, because it's not going to open up as a Chrome app. All right, so let's listen up to Miss Murray.
When I log into Zoom, I always get this message and I can't get to the actual meeting because this app is blocked. So I click on that and then it takes me to download the app, add to Chrome. But when you try to add to Chrome, you also get another error message. Oops, bloody blue, not accepted from NPS. So you click out of that.
Oh, hi.
And then you go back to the meeting you tried to do, and then you'll see this pops up after you try to do that. So click on that, and then you can get into the Zoom. That's the workaround that has worked for me.